At the Biomedical Alliance, we give this evidence to regulators and to the European Commission on behalf of all the medical specialties in Europe. We now have legislation across multiple aspects of healthcare, and it really is crucial for the quality of our medical care that doctors advise the Commission on appropriate rules for all of these aspects of our professional lives.
So what is the main role of Biomed Alliance? To be an interface that will understand the problems of the academia and the clinicians, and also to present them what the legislation and regulators have to say, to summarize both sides, to provide the documents in which they will use the translation of the needs of the clinicians into the language of administration and the other way around, and to lobby for their activities.
Well, clinicians play a crucial role, I would say, in many instances central role in a regulatory system for medical devices and in vitro diagnostic devices. They're involved at different stages of the regulatory process for the devices: pre-market, pre-certification, during the certification, and of course post-certification.
As lab professionals, we have different challenges. First of all, we need to provide scientific, quality correct laboratory results, and this in a timely way. And to provide good results, most health institutions work with a quality management system. And with the new health policies, the changing field, we have additional requirements like IVDR and the GDPR regulation. And this is not always easy to implement this in the daily operation and in the systems that we have.
The best way for healthcare professionals and researchers to be informed about and stay updated on EU health policy and regulatory developments is definitely by following the Biomed Alliance newsletters and news items, and by getting involved in the Biomed Alliance task forces and working groups that focus on specific policy or regulatory challenges.
And all these societies have policy officers as well, and I believe it's important to realize that they engage with the European Parliament, they engage with the European Commission, with the HaDEA, and these are the ones that finally reflect to their members on how policy works and how policy decisions can come true and get to their clinical practice.